Welcome guys, we are unboxing the Unleashed Powerhouse Poco X5 Pro with great style and performance. The price is around 23,000. I bought it from Amazon. We have a charger, we have a phone kit, and here is the great phone. It is a great action, gaming, multitasking and great photography. It is equipped with Snapdragon 870 processor with 6 and 8 GB RAM DDR2. The box comes with a SIM ejector pin and a user manual. And a transparent back case. Side, and we have a charging cable, Type-C charging cable, and 67 watts super fast charger. Side, we're going to power on the phone. The phone is 6.7-inch full HD display with vibrant colors and great viewing experience. It has super AMOLED display. The camera is equipped with 108 megapixel and a macro sensor and wide angle lens. We're going to power on and waiting for the power on. It is equipped with MU14 and comes with Android 13 and it has updates too. It is great for gaming with its turbo mode. And it also has a side mount fingerprint scanner. We have used it for a couple of days and the phone looks amazing. We have added some camera samples at the end of this video. It has a great low lighting camera features and it takes great pictures at night mode and no lighting conditions. And we have played a couple of games. And the gaming experience was really good. We are waiting to get this setup completed. It was quite easy. We have used this phone for almost a month and this was a great experience. So here comes a great display and the phone slightly heats up when we play huge games, and it has 120 Hz refresh rate, super fast display. And response rate is also really good. Here we take some photos. The phone. Here comes the camera. We have taken some pictures on internal lighting. It's really good. Look at the pictures. On low lighting conditions, it is very dark inside, but still it's able to manage some good photos. Get some outdoor videos. It was taken at 4K 30 FPS and we have videos can be taken at 180 60 FPS and 180 30 fps at super steady mode. It's managed to give great lights and colorful experience with the camera. If you are going to vlog, you can use this camera. It is auto sensor and much more features. So thank you guys. Bye. कैमरा साइड में भाई, ऐसा बताओ।